Hello guys and welcome to my new tutorial, this time about Opera. So I just switched from using Google Chrome with Opera, but I find something not really cool, I think. So let me show you. When I want to watch some movies, they are not working. So for example, if I choose one video from Udemy and I want to play it, it will not work. Okay, so the problem with the Opera browser, it's with some codecs, so we just need to install them. So first, let's just check what is the last version. Okay, what is the last release? I will put the link in the description. So you see, we just need to open a terminal. Okay, and we just need to download and install the last version. Okay, so I just use the curl, but you can just download the zip file, it will be fine. Okay, and then we just need to unzip. Okay, let's create a directory. Okay, and I just need to insert my password. Okay, so I already created. I just don't need to create this directory again, and we just need to move the library to that folder. So right now, if I just close my browser and I open again, let's see if the video it will work. So if I click here, okay,
Hello and welcome to
the video will start. So the issue is fixed. Thank you for watching.